Hi, I'm Gary Crawford. With XLCubed having recently passed the IBCS certification process, I'm really looking forward to the conference, and my session is IBCS Financial Reporting, Communicating the Message of COVID-19 Business Impacts. We'll take a look from the perspective of a fictitious company at how the IBCS approach can really help the management communication and decision-making processes by providing a real clarity in reporting at a time of such overall uncertainty. We'll talk through the business scenario and look at the process of building out some interactive IBCS compliant reports and how a business semantic layer can significantly help that process. Finally, we'll show how to quickly and effectively annotate the report to support the overall message which needs to be communicated. I hope you can join me.